Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's March 16th. Last night was our first night of uh, cold weather for these 2 nights that got prepared for. This inside the big greenhouse, showed it got down to 36 in here. It's warming up, but you can see everything looks good. Even the tomatoes look good. Now, sometimes things will uh, show up later, but normally you'll see drooping leaves and stuff like that. So looks like, uh, and I'm sure my peppers and stuff that's covered are good. We're going to go ahead and leave them covered today. It's got shade cloth, so they shouldn't build up enough heat to harm them today. We'll just have to see if the sun comes out and it gets really warm in here. We'll go ahead and uncover them. In fact, I might do it anyway, but the temperature said it was 35, but I'm going to definitely say it's colder than that. We're going to go out here in the garden. We have the sprinklers going and turned them on about 2:30. And I was going to turn them off, but I said, no, I'm going to leave them on, let the sun come out, because there's definitely thin layer of ice on my tomatoes. We'll see if they survive. Same thing, got some icicles on the trees. So they're going to, should be fine. Now we'll go to the citrus greenhouse. Okay, everything looks good out here in the new greenhouse. Of course, we watered everything good, and I'll go ahead and water again today. Make sure that the roots and stuff got good transfer, but it's already 50. Well, I say it's already 51. It's warming up, but the heater set about 50 degrees, and I came out here about 2:30, and it was in good shape. Everything looks good with this new heater. It's doing an excellent job. The bananas, no sign of any type of damage on them. And of course, we got our heater at the end. We've got a fan here to make sure that we keep this air circulating, and in case it gets cold on the end, it'll bring that warm air down that's close to the thermostat. But yeah, this new Modine heater, it's a little different than the other one, but it definitely is doing a good job. Let's go look at the potatoes. And of course, we healed up these potatoes. We have a little bit sticking out. If it does get too cold, which it doesn't look like it's done too much to them, I buried this one kind of deep where I got it all, and then this other one, I brought it up a little bit because I had a lot of them that were smaller in that row. But they're okay today, but tonight, and depending on which weather I'm looking at on my app that I normally trust more, it says 26 degrees. It's done got down where in the other one's staying 31. So we'll see. It'll be a little bit more to keep them alive through that. But like I say, when I plant early, there's nothing I can do. I'm debating whether to just take and plant some more tomato seeds. I got plenty of them, and that way if they don't survive, there'll be some backup coming on just a little bit quicker. And if they do, well, the others can be replacements later on, because they'll be roughly 2.5 months behind the other ones, and our heat kind of gets started fairly quick. So I'll probably go ahead and do that today. But anyway, that's the update where we're at today. Hope you enjoyed this little update. I hope your garden is staying warm. And as always, give it a big thumbs up and enjoy that gardening experience.